Well, we're going to see if we can pull the hub off of this car here. First thing I'm going to do, take my phone out of my pocket, because last time I worked on the car, I kind of broke my phone. I've already got the nut off. Just going to put these on finger tight, see how that works. This is on a 61 Studebaker Lark 8 Cruiser. Cruiser designation is supposedly a little bit fancier car, a little longer wheelbase. I've had this car since 1974. This will be the first time this hub's come off. Now that nut doesn't want to go right on, so luckily it's the same size as what we've got here, 3/4 inch. Just got this tool today. About right around $15 from Amazon. I thought I was going to have to whack it with this big hammer. Look at that. Man, that was nice. So, that was it. That's all it took to get it off. What I took it apart for is I'm going to be rebuilding this wheel cylinder kit. This car's been sitting for about, I don't know, 15 years or so. And the brakes kind of decided to not work anymore. So, we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.